What's up, guys? My Amazon shopping spree finally came in, and now my 84 Tercel is going to get some speaker upgrades. Nothing fancy, all cheapest, pretty much the cheapest stuff I could find on Amazon that wasn't complete garbage, but super excited to throw it in and have some awesome tunes. Let's go. Alright, well, after some stupidity of my own, I forgot to turn the power button on, so I couldn't figure out why the radio wasn't working. Oops! Got the radio all wired up, got some working sound, so now we're going to go through the speakers. Rocking a Harbor Freight screwdriver, as if there's a better screwdriver in all the world. Alright, she popping off. Oop, slowly but surely. I'm going to pop this off. Alright, off she goes. Look at that old stock speaker. Harbor Freight screwdriver to the rescue. There we go. And in theory, out comes the old speaker. There's the old connectors. We're going to pop that connector off. Oh, just kidding. It's going to come right out of the bag. Well, we'll get with that later. Got this factory harness all snipped together with this one for the aftermarket speakers. About as redneck as you could get it, but hey, good enough for me. Let's snip her on here. Alright, real quick, slip this connector in and put the screws in. Alright, Toyota deems 2 screws enough to hold these speakers in, so that's all we're going to use to throw it back in there. 1 snug and 2 snug. Alright, before I go ahead and put everything back together, turn the key, make sure that it actually works. Hey, would you know, we got tunage. So, alright, on to the next side. Pull this plastic back together and keep rolling. Alright, left front speaker down, only got 1 extra screw and 1 broken tab, so not bad. Alright, passenger speaker is about ready to come out once I get the screw all the way out. Ba-bam! Yuck! Crappy sounding old speakers coming out once I get the screwdriver in. And out it goes. Alright, got the speaker all connected together. I'm gonna plug it in and see how she sounds. Struggle, 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 struggle. Turns out it goes in the other way around. So now, bam! Nice. Look at that bass. Sweet. Slap this one on, get the screw in, and then we will be done. Alright, well, I'm not really proud of this setup, but wasn't able to use the baffles, and unfortunately I had to use zip ties to hold them in because I didn't have any nuts and screws. So it's kind of rigged, but hey, guess what? It works. So rear speakers are done, radio's all installed, and we're ready to rock and roll with some new tunes.